Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus. You can see it's got the two key fobs with the keyless entry. It's also got the remote start. It's a real nice feature to have this time of year if you want to have your van warmed up or defrosted. Even if you keep it in the garage, it's still nice to come out to a warm vehicle, especially if you live in a colder climate. It's a rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. Guess I better unlock it first, that would help. Trunk lid folds right up. I can operate this entire conversion using two fingers. I pinch here on the end, flip the clamp over. It's got a clamp on this side as well. These clamps keep these ramps from rattling. It's a very good design. Handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side. Look here, I'm taking this to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. 34-inch wide ramp. It does taper down to 32 where the ramp sets in there. That's 2 inches wider than the side entries. That extra couple inches is nicer for getting bigger chairs in. Got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner looks great. This is basically a brand new van. Rear air controls, plenty of cup holders in the rear. It does come with a free set of ratcheting tie-downs. Between those two seats, there's about 21 inches of space. If you need more room, we can put jump seats in there. We can put seats that flip up on their side. Let us know what you need, and we can help configure this van to meet your needs. Of course, not all vans and not all wheelchairs are created equal in size. So let us know what you need, and we can make it happen. The dash is in excellent shape. Has steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. A backup camera and a big digital screen there. Dual climate control and rear air controls. Plenty of cup holders. Plenty of plug-ins. And when you do get everybody secured, come on back out. Again, all I need is one finger to do this here. Lift this up. Put her down. Lock it down and you're ready to go. This van only has 95 miles on it. Not 95,000, it has 95 miles on it. Tinted windows in the rear, these real slick alloy wheels. And you ask, who sold a van with 95 miles on it? We had a fleet company that had bought a bunch of vans, and due to COVID and lack of business, they had to sell a bunch of vans that were pretty much brand new. So unfortunately their loss is our gain. But this van is a brand new van essentially. It's got the alloy wheels, tinted windows. It's got the black ground effects. This thing is just, I think it's a real sweet looking van. There's not a scratch or dent on this thing. You're getting a brand new van for thousands of dollars off because someone put 95 miles on it, just moving it around, you know, from parking lot to parking lot. Still got the new tag there. The owner's manual still in the bag. Got the two keys, like I said, with the keyless entry and remote start. No signs of any smoking, no signs of any use in this van. I mean, this is a brand new van. All the seats even smells like new. It's got the tag here. It does have the power seat, which most of these SEs do not have. So a nice little feature there on the power seat to get you up or down. You can see the miles are, like I said, 95 miles. When I go to turn the van on, fires up first time, every time. You can see all the dummy lights work. It's got the backup camera like I mentioned. Let me pop the hood real quick so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. This van comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Dodge. Comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. And the conversion itself comes with a 3-year, unlimited mile warranty. So top to bottom, front to back, this van meets all the specs to be covered. As I crawl underneath the van, it looks all brand new. Very good. This is exactly what we want. A lot of our competition, they don't show the undercarriage of the vehicle. They buy rusted out vans. They buy beat up vans from up north. They convert them and they sell them to people, and they never tell them about what's going on underneath the van. What's going on underneath the van is just as important as the engine and transmission, if not more important. So this van's super clean, and it's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looked good in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. they assume, because they think they're getting a good deal, that the van's a good van. Don't assume things. People get burned on the internet every single day. Don't be one of them. If someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more, demand a detailed video. Even though this van only has 95 miles on it, I'm out here crawling around on the ground underneath it. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. I'm not going to take this out and test drive it. We've test driven it, but I'm trying to keep the miles down. I want to keep it under 100 miles. But I want you to make this video so you know exactly what you're getting. And keep in mind, I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look at our Google reviews. See all the nice things people had to say about us. There's a reason we sell so many vans. Our prices, our reputation, and our videos. That's what sell these vans, and we are no pressure. I promise you I'm not going to beg you to buy this van. If you don't buy it, I promise you someone else is going to. So if you'd ever like to give me a call, again, I'm the owner of the company. My name is Jeremiah. We out making these videos so you know exactly what you're getting. Give me a call, 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. If you'd like my cell phone number, if texting is easier for you, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Try to go to one of those big companies and ask if you can have the owner's cell phone number. Does customer satisfaction and service mean enough to them to give you the owner's cell phone number? Ask them, see what they say. Also, we have financing available. We can give you an application to your phone, we can send one to your email, or we can fill one out over the phone, whichever is easiest for you. And to see our entire inventory, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. As always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.